Hi guys, so I woke up and I got a package from Just Egg. So I was like, let me unbox it on camera. I love when they send me stuff. I'm like, is this the influencer life? Like, I don't know. So anyways, I'm just kidding. You know, people are sensitive. So I don't even know how to cut this open. I like went to walk my dog. It was like, oh, you have a package. I was like, I have a package? And my dog was barking this morning like somebody was at the door, but I was like, who the hell? All right, so the package is open. So here's my card. It says a better egg, or even better egg. So it like comes like with ice. All right, so let me open the card. I don't even think it's a card. It says an even better egg. This is what the bag says. It says a new and improved Just Egg is here, and we want you to try it first. Oh, guys, it's creamier, fluffier, and still made from plants. Still vegan. So heat a skillet, scramble up some eggs, and tag Eat Just to let us know what you think. So they're frozen, so I can't try them right now. But thank you so much, Just Egg. Like, I can't wait to try these. I didn't even know they came out with a new formula. I guess it's not in stores yet. So in here it says an even better egg, creamier, fluffier. Ooh, the dry ice is hurting my hands. I will let these defrost and give y'all my update probably tomorrow. So if you have Just Egg in your area, I believe it's at major stores like Target, Walmart, I don't know, just go to their website and see. But thank you so much, Just Egg. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I can't wait to try these. All right, bye.